Alaina was bored of the same rainy days, every single time. But today, her umbrella decided to do something magical! When the umbrella turned red, the whole street turned into a red wonderland. Then it turned blue, and puddles became tiny oceans with friendly fish. With a green shine, trees popped up everywhere, turning the road into a tiny forest. Finally, the umbrella turned into a rainbow, and every color of her day came to life at once. What color should Alaina try next? Tell in the comments and follow @AlainaAdventures for more tiny adventures.